me with the baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on making gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both their lives flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. So give me one more chance. Take me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to the shoulder and the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. So give me one more chance. Save me from this road I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. I'm letting go. So give me one more chance. Save me from this road I'm on. From the road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, take it from me.
Let's get the whole crowd. Everybody clapping.
Great job. All right, Brooke, are you ready now? Thank you for waiting.